I have highlighter on my t-shirt. How? I'm gonna bring the lipsticks. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together new products by Essence. Essence has released a bunch of new products and I have tried to find a lot of them so I can use them in this video. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite product by Essence and also share this video if you have a friend that likes Essence Cosmetics. As always, if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. I am so excited because I have a lot of products that I have never used before. For primer, I will use this one by Essence. I have done a separate review about this one. I will have a card here for all the products that I have done a wear test. I will have it in that playlist with all the new Essence makeup products. And for today's video, I'm going to use a mattifying pore minimizing primer with black clay by Essence. Oh, I shouldn't say by Essence all the time. I will use only Essence. And I'm going to apply this all over my face. For foundation, I will use this one here. This is the Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup in the shade 40. I have done a review about it. It will be in the playlist. I have never tried this foundation with the primer. I am very curious to see how they will work together. And I will apply it with the makeup and baking sponge. I like how these look together on my skin and I have a very nice coverage. I was able to blend my foundation very easy on top of this primer. I don't have dry areas and I like it. For concealer, I will use this one by Essence. This is a camouflage matte concealer in the shade 30 Light Honey. I also use it on my eyes as a base. You don't have to go very close to your lashes because you're going to blend the product. I like how the concealer is blended with this sponge. I will apply a little bit more to highlight my face. They are very sticky. I need to set everything with powder. I don't have a setting powder by Essence that I like, so I have used the fixing powder by Artdeco Cosmetics. For my brows, I will use these two products, the Eyebrow Designer in Blonde. I don't like the brush that comes with this eyebrow pencil, so I am using a spoolie to blend the product. This pencil has a waxy consistency. It is a little bit thicker and I like it because it can hold my eyebrows in place. And on top of that, the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in Browny Brows. For the eyes, I have all of these palettes. These are called the palettes and I have the I Flirt Party look, the Yes I Can natural look, and I also have the I Got This rock look. They have also released two face palettes, the Get Cheeky blush and highlighting palette and also the face to face highlighting and contouring palette. Of course, I like the packaging and all the palettes contain a mirror. All the palettes, let me see, yes, Face to Face has a mirror. Get Cheeky also has a mirror. I will do a separate review for all the eyeshadow palettes. For today's video, I will use only one. I'm thinking about using this palette, the Party Look. With an eyeshadow brush, I will take eyeshadow over ice cream and I will apply it on my brow bone. This blends very nice. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow on the weekend and I will apply it into my crease. So this eyeshadow is not how it looks when you blend it on your eyes, but it is a very nice color for your crease and it blends very easy. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I will take the eyeshadow Kiss Kiss and I will apply it into my crease closer to my eyelid. This eyeshadow has a satin finish. It blends very nice. Satin eyeshadows always blend easier than matte eyeshadows. The difference with shimmer eyeshadows is that they have a very light sheen and they are so easy to blend. I don't usually use satin eyeshadows into my crease because they have just a little bit of sheen and they can intensify my crease, but I will go back with another color later, so I will hide that sheen. I think I have applied eyeshadow here. I will take eyeshadow while dancing and I will blend it into my crease again. With a brush 225 by Zoeva, I will take eyeshadow in the pool and I will apply it into my crease closer to my eyelid again on top of the eyeshadow Kiss Kiss. And I will try to concentrate this color to my eyelid and blend it a little bit upwards because I'm going to cut my inner crease today. Also blend it a little bit on the brow bone. With brush 221 by Zoeva, I take eyeshadow while dancing and I blend it into my brow bone to blend the edges of the two purple eyeshadows. With an eyeshadow brush, I take eyeshadow too much and tap the excess off. This eyeshadow has some kickback and I will apply it on the outer eyelid. I will cut my crease with the same concealer that I have used before, and let's cut a little bit the inner crease. I will blend it a little bit with my finger. I will take a clean eyeshadow brush. This is also by Essence. I will just blend the edges and also blend it with your brush, so you don't have harsh edges here. And I will use eyeshadow in pink, and this is a little bit chalky, and press it on your eye so it can be more intense and also you don't have any fallout. With an eyebrow brush by Essence, I make my cut crease more defined and I take again eyeshadows in the pool and Kiss Kiss. So I have lost the intensity of the brown eyeshadow. I will take again eyeshadow too much and I will apply it in the outer crease. I clean my brush on a tissue and I will just blend the two colors together. And with my finger I take eyeshadow Kiss Kiss and I blend the two colors together. After that I also use my smudging brush. I have some fallouts from the brown eyeshadow, the silver eyeshadow. With a smudging brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow in the pool and I apply it all over my lower lash line. With the same smudging brush, I take eyeshadow on the weekend and I blend the edges of my lower lash line. In my waterline, I will use the long-lasting eye pencil in Black Fever and I will also try to tightline my eyes. That's a very black intense color, although I have tested this eye pencil again and it smudges on me. For eyeliner, I will use the Super Last eyeliner in matte black and I will apply it with a precise eyeliner brush by Essence. For mascara, I will use the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. About the concealer, I don't like the applicator because it is very long and it's not easy to apply it on my eyes. And I am always using an angle brush with this eyeliner. The mascara makes my lashes very voluminous. I don't like the applicator in this one too because the opening doesn't hold the extra product. And you apply a lot of product on the lashes and they can become clumpy very easy with this applicator. The eyeshadows were easy to blend. I didn't have patchy eyeshadows, although I don't like that some eyeshadows are satin. I want to use this palette a little bit more and I will do more makeup looks with this. So I want to see all the eyeshadows, how they work. I have these two face palettes. I will swatch them because some shades are shimmery and some are very dark for me and I want to see what I will use. This is a contouring palette and this shade here, it is very fluffy. It goes everywhere. When you try to blend it, it fluffs everywhere. It looks very patchy. I'm not using that for a highlighter. I like the contouring shades because they are matte and very soft. I want to see how they will blend on my skin. We also have names for all the shades of this palette. I like that. And I will take my brush 109 by MAC and the shade Grounded. Oops. And these are very soft. Tap the excess off and I will start contouring. Okay, that blends nice. I will apply some more because I applied less. Less is more. Although you need to be careful for the kickback and tap the excess off from your brush all the time before you apply the brush on your skin. I will also apply some on the sides of my nose. I will take the Get Cheeky palette. In this palette we have a lot of shades for darker skin tones and that's great. I want to see if I am able to use some of these shades, maybe this light corally one, because I can say these are very dark for my skin tone. I will take a BH Cosmetics brush, this is number 3, and also the blush Natural Girl. Okay, I think the problem was my brush. On this side, I have used this by BH Cosmetics. Now I am using the L brush by Zerva Cosmetics. The bristles picked up less product. I don't like the shimmery blush. I will try very lightly to remove some of the color because it is so intense. I don't like it. It intensifies everything that I have here. I will go again to the contouring palette. I will take the shade So Sunny and I will try to make my blush matte, and I want to remove the sheen because I don't like it. I will take an E40 brush by Sigma and this shade here, it is called Crystal Crush, and this is the Cheeky palette. Oh, it is very soft and I touched very lightly and it picked up a lot of product. It is very soft. If you tap the excess off from your brush, nothing is left on the brush. It doesn't look chalky and it doesn't intensify the texture that I have here. I have highlighter on my t-shirt. How? And you know what time it is? Big fluffy brush and with big circular motions. I will blend everything. About the contouring and highlighting powder, I like all the matte shades. They are super smooth. If you are a beginner with contouring, the shades are very soft and they blend very nice. I want to say some things about this palette too. I like the highlighters. I would like if we had just 1 or 2 blushes in a matte shade and in a lighter color. Although I like that this palette has darker colors. I also have a lot of lipsticks to choose from. I'm gonna bring the lipsticks. On my lips now, I have this lip gloss that I use all the time. This is the Shine 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 lip gloss in the color Happiness in a Bottle. And it is almost empty, guys. I always use this one when I do my videos and I have something on my lips. Is this one. In here I have all the velvet matte lipsticks. I will use this one here and it is the Hungry Pink. This formula is very creamy. I have used some of the other colors as well, and I will do lip swatches for all the lipsticks and a wear test to see if they are long lasting. My makeup looks very well blended today. I like how it looks. It is not patchy. For the face products, you can see the playlist that I have in the card. And for all the products I have done a wear test and you can see how they work for my skin type. I have also done a separate review for these palettes. They will be in the playlist in the card. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you are interested in any of these products or if you have already tried them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!